Good morning, everyone. How are you guys doing today? So today I'm going to be talking about how to know how many carbs you're intaking from your food. So I'm going to show you guys different examples. I have a few examples right here. I'm kind of upset because I was recording this video on my phone and I don't even know if I pressed record. I don't know what happened, but nothing recorded. And now, well, I'm doing it again in live. That way I can just save it on here and nothing's gonna happen. So, let's go ahead and look at the carbs here. So, for example, let's look at this keto bread, okay? I got this one at Aldi here in Chicago. It is vegan, has 5 grams of protein. And I would recommend keto-friendly food because it has less carbs and less sugars. So let's look at the nutrition facts. I'm going to show you guys how to read the nutrition facts. So basically, you go to the carbs, okay? It says 9 grams of carbs, okay? So right here, you can see that it says that it has dietary fiber, 9 grams of dietary fiber. So in order to measure how many carbs you're going to intake, you take 9 from here. Sorry, the glare. 9 minus 9. Guess what that means? You're having 0 carbs with this bread. So right here, as you can see, is 0 guilt. So this has no carbs at all. And then it has 0 sugars as well. And just remember the serving sizes. I usually have 2 of these in the morning. And it has 40 calories per slice. Remember, portions are important, okay? So let's go ahead and look at the other bread, which is the regular white bread, okay? So, this is 70 calories per slice, and the total carbs are 13 grams of carbs, and it has 0 grams of fiber, which means you would be intaking 13 grams of carbs in one slice. And it does have added sugar of 1 gram. 1 gram is not bad. But it has added sugars. Also be careful on those added sugars. Hello, Maria. So as you can see, this one has no fiber, so you would be intaking 13 grams of carbs. And you have 70 calories for one slice. So I was talking about, I already explained the keto bread. As you can see, it has 40 calories and how to measure the carbs. Right now I'm going to show you guys another example. Right now I do not have any healthy tortillas. I ran out. But I'm going to show you guys right here. Because everyone loves beans. Especially as Hispanics, we always want to have beans in every dish, every plate that we want to cook. So as you can see here in the nutrition facts, the serving size is half cup, okay? And then the total carbs is 20 grams. And it has a fiber of 6 grams. So the way that you measure how to know how many carbs you're taking is you take 20 minus 6. So then you will be only consuming 14 grams of carbs. So I have actually avoided eating beans as much as I can ever since I started on my weight loss journey. And remember, we're supposed to only eat half a cup if you do eat some, but I try to avoid them. But, us Hispanics, we like to have a whole cucharota, bien grandota, with our rice and with our food, which is not good, So, This is the example of the beans. And now I'm going to go ahead and show you guys this keto spread. It is a cocoa hazelnut spread. Okay, so this one I got it on Amazon, and as you can see here, it does have 160 calories for the serving size of 2 tablespoons. And you can see here the carbs is 17 grams of carbs, and the dietary fiber that it contains is 16 grams, which means you would take 17 minus 16, which means you will only be having 1 gram of carbs per serving, which is really good. And it only has 1 gram of sugar, and it doesn't have any added sugars, which is super, super good. So this is super, super recommended. If you guys want to try it out, you can get it from Amazon. However, just remember that portions are important. And I recommend it. It's really good. Honestly, it's like I'm having regular chocolate, so it's good. And now we're going to go ahead and see, we're going to compare these peanut butters, okay? Because this is the regular peanut butter, and this is supposedly a natural peanut butter, and this is the PB2 powder, okay? So, this is the Jif, which is the one that you can see in commercials and everything like that. It's very popular. So, as you can see, it has 190 calories per serving. And then over here you would see the carbs. It has 8 grams of carbs, and the fiber is 2 grams. So you would take 8 minus 2, which means you would be having 6 grams of carbs. And as you can see here, the sugars, it has 3 grams of sugars, but they added 2 more grams of sugars. So these are like hidden sugars. So make sure you be careful on those because sometimes they add like double the amount. So that's like not like we should be watching our sugar intake, you know. Okay. So as you can see that one, and now we're going to compare to this one. This is the Walmart brand. It is supposedly natural, supposedly healthier, and it also has 190 calories like this one. And as you can see here, the carbs is the same, 8 grams. And you subtract the dietary fiber, so 8 grams minus 2, which would be 6 grams of carbs. As you can see, this one has 3 grams of sugars, and they still add 1 gram of sugar. So is this really a healthier option for you? I would say no, because this is like the same thing as this, to be honest. So I actually was fooled because I didn't read the nutrition facts. So I was like, oh, well, this one's natural, this one's healthier, you know? But I guess that's why I wasn't losing weight. And then, so we're going to go ahead and compare. This one is the PB2 powdered peanut butter, which is the most healthy version, okay? So this one is 60 calories per 2 tablespoons. And as you can see the ingredients, it only contains peanuts. It does contain a little bit of sugar, but we'll get into that right now. So let's go ahead and straight into the carbs, okay? So it has 5 grams of carbs minus 1 of the dietary fiber, which means you will only be having 4 grams of carbs, and which is super good. Like, it's half the carbs of this serving if you would have this. And then the sugars, as you can see, has 2 grams of sugars and 1 added sugar. But the calories are 60 calories per serving, which is 2 tablespoons, compared to this one, which is the serving 2 tablespoons, and this one is 190 calories. So I would recommend this one. So it's very easy to make peanut butter with this. Basically, just add powder to a little container, mix it with water, and you can mix it up, and that will be your peanut butter. Or you can add it to a shake, add it to coffee, whatever is your preference. So that is that. And let's go ahead. And this is my favorite lean meal replacement shake from our company, Vida Divina. And let's go ahead and see the carbs here. Okay, so as you can see here, it has total carbs of 15 grams. And the total dietary fiber is 3 grams. So you will take 15 minus 3. So that will be 12 grams of carbs. And that is not bad at all. And because this is recommended as a meal replacement. So basically replacing either your breakfast, lunch, or dinner. It's not recommended to have with anything else, because this can also help you gain weight if you need to gain weight, but it's not recommended to be if you're eating your breakfast and you're also having your shake, that is not a good idea, because this is a meal replacement shake. So you're not supposed to be having anything else with this. But of course, yes, you can add fruit to it, but just remember, serving sizes are important, especially on fruits, because there's some fruits that contain sugar. Okay. So I think that would be all for today. I hope that you guys understand, and thank you guys so much for watching if you did watch, and I hope that you guys have a beautiful day.